Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can disable notifications on Messenger. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm in the chats window of Messenger and I'll be using this to demonstrate to you guys how you can turn off notifications. Now, you can turn off notifications in your system settings, however you don't have to. You can do everything through Messenger itself by going into the hamburger menu in the top left and then going into the gear icon, which is the options menu. From here, you just want to scroll down until you see notifications and sounds. Under preferences, click on that, and here if you want to disable all notifications, you just click on and turn that to off. You can set it for up to 24 hours and then afterwards they will be reinstated. They'll be turned on again, and then you'll be able to disable it again. You can do it permanently, I'm pretty sure, under notifications in your system settings, so you can do that as well. Or if you want to not receive notifications from certain people or certain groups, you can just go into that group and go into the menu with the options and just mute the group. I'm alone in this group, as you can see, so I cannot turn off notifications here, but that is pretty much the principle on which you can turn off notifications. You just select mute and then select the duration. You can turn it off until you turn it on. It's not like general notifications. You can just do it permanently for groups and individuals, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.